doesn't make much sense. There ought to be a law again. Anyone who takes offense at a day in your celebration, 'cause we all know in our minds there ought to be a time that we can set aside to show just how much we love you, and I'm sure you would agree. We could fit more perfectly just to have a world party on the day you came to be. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hey.
Yay!
Make a wish. Okay, we're gonna.
That's right.
We're gonna light the big one. I have to get on your knees.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, what are you doing?
I forgot what I was doing.
All right.
Yay!
Then I wait, because I have to, yeah, go ahead and take those out.
What's happening now?
I have no idea.
That's like a wedding cake. Oh, is this fireworks? Oh my God, this is lighting the cake. Setting the cake on fire.
Oh,
Exploding cake.
Let it burn.
Let it burn. Burn, baby. Oh. Yeah. What part of China exactly? Yeah. Yeah.
That would be so cool.
Yeah, that's right.
The fire detector got it out.
Please work.
Yeah, I hope the fire alarm doesn't go off. Okay. Well, we don't know. Let's see, where's the,
Apparently not working.
huh?
Counting on it to do anything.
When you blow it out, I
Okay.
guess.
When it, yeah,
Okay.
yes, there's,
Yeah, it's nice. Do something.
maybe we're supposed to roast something over it. Oh,
Whoa.
wow. Oh, fun. Oh, look at that.
Whoa!
Wow.
Lotus flower bomb.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Wow. Is it stuck?
And it's supposed to have a song.
I hear it whistling.
Okay.
Not singing happy birthday one.
Well, maybe I have to listen to this.
And I take the whole spot. Mine should probably just blow it out.
Yeah. There aren't any laws about animals. So listen. There's a small person in there playing a tune. I'm stuck in the Chinese factory. Oh.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Get that out of here outside. I'll lose more.
Evacuate. Yay! If it started raining,
That we would never forget it.
that would be the best.
These are the times we need to sit here. The ones we never forget.
Did you make a wish?
I did.
Did you make a wish?
Yeah. But we wouldn't have done
Yeah.
Good job, JJ.
Woohoo! We made it.
5 layers, let's count them and make sure we got it.
Are you gonna eat 5 slices of cake because you're 5?
Oh, wow.
Or are you going to eat 5 slices of cake because you're 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Woohoo!
5 layers. Okay. That wasn't 5? After all that work, it wasn't 5?
And after this, I want to open my present outside.
Ooh, okay.
Wow.
Remember, when on your birthday you get presents?
Oh, okay.
Don't forget about that.
Don't.
This isn't a hot box, this is a hot house.
Wow.
This is a hot person doing it.
How's the cake?
Good.
Good.
Did you want a fork?
It's so beautiful.
That's like
And
This plastic works later.
Can you,
Yeah,
can you cut these? Cause I usually cannot really cut anything.
You afraid to touch anything?
Just stick your whole face in it, it's your birthday. What? Isn't that what you get to do on your birthday?
Yeah, then you get to clear the road.
Yeah!
How does it taste?
He's so happy. Are you so excited?